You have that look like they made me get up early so I could eat pancakes, and I'm really happy about it. Good talk. All right, here we go, buddy. All right. Gotta be one-eyed, bushy tail the rest of the game. We're gonna start doing pollution on this. All right, here we go. There we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Want another one on there? Nice. Knuckleball. There we go. Good job. All right, here we go, man.
Ooh, good save.
Bounce for there. All right, hold on there, Shorty Spice. We got this. Under that look. Put your foot right where my toes tap. All right, right where my toes tap. All right, put your hands at 9 and 3. All right, 9 and 3. East and west on a compass. All right, when you're Girl Scout, you know what that is. All right, play against your belly button. All right, leave it against your body and just let it come to you. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Alright, here comes that second one, kiddo. Oh! Beautiful. Helps that I've been doing it for 20 years. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright, so don't reach for it, let it come to you, okay? That'll help you out a whole lot. Beautiful, just like that. Alright, remember the pancakes are heavier than the plate, so put your hands on the side. 9 and 3. There we go. Hey, bud. Hold on tight. There we go. Alright, bro, you done? You get your hair off there? You good? We good? Alright, here we go, bro. Not to be outdone. Here we go.
Can I have one more?
Yeah.
Thank you.